Okay, this is the exercise I want you to do in this section. First, in the list of movies, I want you to add a button on top of the table to create a new movie. And by the way, this is actually a link, but I have applied 2 Bootstrap button classes to make it look like a button. Now, when we click this, we get this form to add a new movie. Here we have 4 fields: name, release date, genre, which is a drop-down list, and number in stock. Note that for release date, genre, and number in stock, I've overridden the labels, because in our model, there is no space between these words. So that's something I want you to do as part of this exercise. Also, for now, assume that all these fields are required. So when testing the application, populate all the fields. In the next section, we'll work on validation. Now let's go back. Next, I want you to modify the link under each movie such that when we click it, we see our movie form populated with that movie. And note that when I'm editing a movie, the heading of the page is changed from new movie to edit movie. And finally, implement update. So make a few changes here, update the movie, and make sure the movie is updated in the database. Now, as part of this exercise, it's possible that you may get an exception like this. So in the next lecture, I talk about what this exception means and how to resolve it. And one last tip. As a good programming practice, instead of solving this exercise in one go, break it down into a few smaller exercises. For example, first, focus purely on adding a new movie. Don't worry about editing. Once you implement the form to create a movie, then focus on editing. So one step at a time. All right, all the best, and I will see you in the next lecture.